Good morning, students. Today we start chapter 13, Our Health. So, health means arogya, okay, swasthya, meaning of health. So, did you ever happen to you that in spite of yearning to do something of your choice, you did not manage to do it because you were not feeling well, like participating in a cricket match, going to watch a movie, going to a fair, or participating in any programs of your school? Sometimes we are unable to do the work what we want to do. Sometimes we can't study and we can't enjoy with the friends and we can't work because our health is not okay. Okay, तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. So इसलिए काम भी अच्छा से नहीं कर सकते हैं. Understand? So we often use the term health. Health means what? Arogya or swasthya. Knowing or unknowingly in our expressions like my health is not okay today, I am not well today, or my mind is not healthy enough for any work. Let us try to understand what health is. Okay, sometimes we say my health is not okay, I am not feeling well. So we will see now here. Discuss with your friends and make a list of all such situations when you do not feel healthy. Generally, we say that feeling healthy is feeling good. So, feeling healthy means feeling good. Yes, I am okay, I am alright. I am happy in my mind and in my thoughts and even in my body also okay. So being healthy for us is being able to do our daily work properly. So being healthy means doing the daily work properly and well. Okay. So the next, thus health is such a state of well-being mentally and physically that enables us to perform our duties skillfully, ably and efficiently. So underline this point. What is the health means what? Health is a such state of well-being. Well-being means we are okay, we are living well with a good health. Mentally means in the mind level I am okay. Physically means body, okay, body level I am okay. And enables us, that means if our mind is okay and body is okay in good condition, we can do the all the work skillfully, means with good talents. We use our talents and we do well creatively, and the assignments and everything you do it creatively and well and efficiently, very well we do it. So this is the health definition. Okay, so underline these 2 points. Okay, so now health and disease. Disease means sicknesses. Okay, so how do we get the sickness? Staying healthy would have different implications for different people. Good health for a dancer may mean being able to dance properly with graceful postures. That means if you are not well, if you are having a fever or not well, can you do well dance? No, we cannot do well. Graceful postures means our postures, positions, everything will not be good if you do. Our health is not okay. Our health is okay means our face also shines very bright, we be very active and we are able to do the dance very well. Okay, so on the other hand, good health for a person who plays the flute may mean having enough breathing capacity in his or her lungs to control the notes from his or her flute. Those who are playing the flute, if their lungs are okay, they should able to control the breath and blow the flute very well. Okay. So a player who can perform efficiently even in adverse conditions is healthy. Okay, so one who plays the flute very well, so that means that person is a healthy person. Okay, so whatever works is given to us, if we are able to do well, that means we are okay, our health is okay. Understand? So this is the one. An unhealthy person, unhealth means unhealthy, healthy person means healthy person, that means who is having good health. Unhealthy person means who is not having the good health is called as a unhealthy person. Okay, so unhealthy, if they fail to perform the properly. Unhealthy person means whose health is not okay, they unable to do the works properly. If this is what we mean by health, what do we mean by disease? So if we mean that health means if you are okay, we do everything well. So what about the disease? The word is actually self explanatory. We can think of it as dis-ease or disturbed ease. That means disease. Okay. Disease means rog, okay, or vyadhi. Understand? So this means dis, okay, E-A-S-E, ease, and you separate and see the word dis-ease. That means our body cannot be easy. We don't feel easy. It will, if dis-ease means, so it is we are not feeling the easy. We feel in our body difficult. So when we feel in the body some difficult, something pain, we are not feeling easy means, so that means we have something dis-ease, okay, disease, no ease, no easy, difficult, okay, disease. So that is the one, disease. That means vyadhi, okay. So rog, in other words, in literally means being uncomfortable. Uncomfortable means what disease meaning? They are telling feeling uncomfortable. Uncomfortable means we are not okay, not able to sit, not able to stand, not able to study. So when we have the sickness, so tabiyat theek nahi hai to, okay, we cannot study well. When we have the rog or vyadhi, understand? So disturbed ease. One meaning disease means disturbed ease, otherwise feeling uncomfortable, okay. However, the word is used in a more limited meaning. We talk of disease when we can find a specific and particular cause for discomfort. This does not mean that we have to know the absolute final cause. We can say that someone is suffering from diarrhea without knowing exactly what has caused the loose motions. Difference between being healthy and unhealthy, okay. So healthy means feeling comfortable, okay, feeling okay, all right. Unhealthy means feeling uncomfortable, not feeling okay. And in healthy means when we are healthy, so we can do all the works skillfully, properly. If we are unhealthy, we cannot do the works properly. If we are healthy means our body is at ease. If you are unhealthy means our body is at dis-ease, okay, our body is at difficult, okay, that is the one. So here factors that affect our health. So what are the factors are affecting our health? We see here now, okay. Our health depends upon our home, neighborhood, organisms and conditions of the environment around us. So how to take care of the health?